Welcome guys and gals to a new episode. You know, I got to go ahead and experience the Kawasaki demo ride for here at Fun Bike Center. And I tell you guys and gals, absolutely fantastic. I got to do the bike that actually I wanted to do. It's called the Z900. I'll put it up.
Ooh.
And I will give you my review about that later. But again, Kawasaki, these guys know how to do it, man. They know how to rock it. They know how to actually make a fun demo right. And also, Monster was out here. So that's actually pretty tight. And other than that, guys and gals, hope you enjoyed a little extra B footage and no demo ride. You're not allowed to film that.
You how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
But whatever. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Part of the review for my Kawasaki demo day on the Z900 2021. Now obviously I'm on my Ducati, so I'm not on the bike. Another thing, as I mentioned at the beginning, you're really not allowed to film a demo, but I'm definitely reaching out to Kawasaki. If you guys see this, I would love to actually take that bike up in the trails, but I tell you, that's just one of those things. Anyways, well, got that lady on camera, scared the crud out of her. The Z900, first and foremost, when you see this bike in person, it is an absolutely gorgeous bike, in my opinion. I honestly feel that Kawasaki just knocked it out of the park with the Z900, especially when they went to that naked look and they made the front. It just looks so aggressive and yet so easy to ride. Now specifically with the 900, all I can tell you is I have ridden the MT-09, MT-10, MT-07, you know, all Yamaha stuff. I have ridden the Z650. I just did, again, the Z900. but I have ridden other bikes. I have not ridden, one thing that I would love to do is actually ride the brand new Ducati Monster Plus is what they call it. That would be the next one I really, just for comparisons, would love to ride. But for a Japanese style bike, the Kawasaki Z900 is an absolute home run. That bike is absolutely just beyond fantastic. I cannot really describe on how much I love that bike. Mid under 9,000 cc's, this bike just hits it. Its power delivery is unbelievably smooth. You could be in 5th gear at 4,000 RPMs, maybe 5, and if you rump on it, that power is instantaneous, extremely smooth, enjoyable. I mean, unbelievably smooth. Big, huge selling point for me. Even though that was on a demo bike, display was absolutely phenomenal. The buttons felt absolutely intact. I keep saying absolutely, I apologize. It just was an overall very good experience for a Japanese style bike. I am more used to the Italian styled motorcycles. They feel a little bit better quality made and not so plasticky, and that's what I feel when I'm on a Yamaha. I still feel that plasticky feel, but with the Kawasaki Z900 you just don't feel that. You really don't. It feels extremely smooth and perfect. I'm not going to keep going with everything because I'll be very honest. I want to honestly be able to take the bike up in the canyons. I can't give a full perfect review, and that's another reason why they don't allow you to do a demo ride with the camera on, because you really do not have the ability to truly see and feel the bike that which it should be filled by. So if I could get a 900 and actually go do a couple canyon rides with it, oh, all I could tell you is I already know ahead of time. It's already a bike that I'm already in love with. And again, I lean more towards the Italian style, but for a Japanese bike, oh, Kawasaki hit it. I mean, they hit it. So, guys and gals, I hope you enjoyed. It's very brief. I chopped it up to make it what it was. And right now I'm actually got a couple other videos coming out. I have I took Minion out here to go do Apex, so I got some good footage of that. And then I also went ahead and am also going to be doing a review. I bought some new motorcycle jeans that I wanted to give a shot, and I'll be doing a review on that, which I'm right now wearing right now, and that'll be another video. But until then, guys, again, as I always state, all my videos, ride smart, be smart, don't do drugs, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you can get a chance to get out to a Kawasaki demo ride, I strongly suggest you do it. Get there early so you can get as many demos as you can. I was only able to get in one, my bad, but I did it before at the IMS convention, motorcycle convention that I just did in my other video. Other than that, guys, gals, be safe, ride smart, have fun, and take care. See you later.